mill in Port Kembla.
I think it's that part of BlueScope where it starts to get pointy, it starts to get customer focused a little bit more.
There's so much to learn in here.
The strip mill calculations, just as a setup, I like flying. I think it's in the order of 15 jumbos at the same time in controls you've got to actually calculate.
Every day at the hot strip mill is different.
Safety, it's been main priority.
I'm just in the middle of doing all the inductions for all the safety stuff at the moment.
And when I'm in the desk, making sure that everything's going the way it's supposed to be.
Do a couple of inspections, walk around checking things, and then we do a lot of planning for the next down day.
My focus is everywhere.
Everyone has their unique positions and everyone comes together as a team to work on problems and fault finding.
What's currently happening is they're grinding some of our work rolls. When they come out of the mill, they're sometimes a little bit banged up and they need a little bit of TLC, so we grind them back until they're nice and clean and they have no defects.
Our slabs start off at about 12 metres, a nice thick slab. They roll through the roughing mill, through to the finishing mill. They work out getting a little bit thinner.
We receive slabs from the slab yard via a transfer car. They weigh them and check the size and all that. Then we run it down and charge it into our furnace. Extractor that pulls them out of the furnace, and we run them down to here to the roughing mill.
The slab thickness is normally around 230 millimetres, and it can reduce it down to anywhere up to high 20 millimetres, 28, 29 millimetres, somewhere around there.
It's like a first pass, rough pass.
My predominant role is to make sure the right temperatures are set up into the coil box.
The coils come from the roughing mill, get coiled up in the coil box, go through the finish mill to the right gauge and width. We can roll a bit quicker with the coil box.
The stripper's reduced every stand, tightened up all tension between the stands.
Keeping it straight.
And how much force you need, the temperature.
Temperature is probably the main thing, keeping the temperature in the bars.
You have to have the right temperature and right width, right gauge.
The maintainers do a good job, the fitters, electricians.
Organising shutdown work, looking after day-to-day activities of a small electrical team.
Ordering spares, reading different types of traces to do with fault finding, and just the general condition of the mill and the roll shop.
So the strip's coming through and it's getting coiled at the coilers, just here.
The run-out table is a group of 328 rolls which deliver the strip as it exits the finishing mill, and it delivers the strip down to the down coilers.
We all work as a team together.
This decision has to come all together.
There's issues and we'll work together as a team and
minimise delays, always driving down costs, and but the main aim is to keep the mill going.
It's challenging. It's good working here because it's not boring. There's always something different.
you never have 2 days that are the same.
Working on problems, fault finding and diagnosing mill conditions.
I guess attention to detail is important, especially this part.
Good people to work with.
I love the job what I'm doing, so that's why I'm still here.
Well, I actually really enjoy the experience as a cadet because they move us to different areas and it allows us to get a lot of experience and allows us to grow, and that's really, I like that. Yeah.